Hello, and welcome to this instructional video designed to help you navigate 3 key features within ArmyIgnitED. In this video, we'll walk you through how to 1. Find your Education Center information, 2. Explore education programs, and 3. Research participating institutions. All 3 of these features can be accessed directly from your ArmyIgnitED dashboard. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's begin with finding your Education Center's contact information. Throughout your military service, your assigned education center may change based on your duty station. That said, this feature helps you quickly learn your education center's details. So here's how. From your dashboard, under Ed Center Info, you're going to enter your installation. So I'm going to go ahead and type in Fort Bliss. Okay, next, I'm going to click on View Details. And you will now see key information for your education center, like hours of operation, contact info, and location. So let's go ahead and get back to our dashboard. And let's explore how to find education programs. To do that, let's scroll down to the middle of the dashboard and click on the Explore Programs tile. Now, this is a great feature because it helps you explore all the available degree programs that you can pursue. And for those of you that are undecided and very much in the exploratory phase, you'll definitely want to use this research tool. So when you click on this tile, you will see 4 search field options. You can see institution, degree program keyword, degree program type, and CIP code. Now, you can ignore the CIP code, because this is mainly for Department of Education purposes. You can search by institution to learn what programs they offer, or you can search by keyword to explore specific degree programs. And you can even toggle the STEM button to focus on programs in this particular area of study. So let's go ahead and try an example. Under degree program keyword, I'm going to go ahead and type in cybersecurity. And for my degree level, I am going to select bachelor's. Now you'll see a range of programs which helps you explore not only your main area of interest, but also related options. For example, here we see cybersecurity administration, and there's also cybersecurity with a focus on information systems and homeland security and several other options. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the University of Texas, Rio Grande Valley. Now here, you'll find a direct link to the school's website and a description of the program, and even a sample degree program, a sample degree plan showing required courses. So when I click on that, and I scroll all the way down, you can see all of the classes that you'll need to take to complete this program. And if that's not available, just go to the school's website for more information. So let's go ahead and get back to our dashboard. And now we're going to research participating institutions. So when we scroll down, this is located to the right of the Explore Programs tile. Now, a great thing about ArmyIgnitED is all institutions listed on the platform are already vetted and are approved to accept tuition assistance. So you can move forward confidently in your research, knowing that all these schools are real options to consider. So let's go ahead and search for a school. I'm going to go ahead and type in Western Kentucky University. Now, sometimes when you just type the first word, you'll already see a list of universities pop up, and you can scroll that way. So when we scroll down, we can see the school. So once it loads, you can scroll down to view 4 search tab options. You see campuses, course catalog, contacts, and credentialing assistance. So let's go ahead and scroll through each of these. So campuses, starting with campuses, this shows the number of campuses a school has. In this case, Western Kentucky University only has one. But in other cases, for example, the University of Maryland, they may actually have several campuses. Next, moving on to the course catalog tab, here you can view the school's full course catalog, which is a great way to explore all of the class offerings and see all of the descriptions for each of those courses. The next tab is the Contacts tab, and this is a very important tab. It lists key points of contact for your school based on your needs. So for example, if you have general questions or invoicing questions, you can find the right person to reach out to. And having the right contact saves you a lot of time and ensures your questions get answered quickly. Moving on to the Credentialing Assistance tab. This tab shows you all of the credentialing programs offered by the school. If you're interested in a credential, just make sure the program is an approved Army vendor by visiting the Army Cool webpage, which you learned about in the ArmyIgnitED 101 brief, to ensure the school is listed. And of course, we recommend always speaking with a counselor before starting a credential to ensure you have all the knowledge you need to make an informed decision. And those are the 3 research tools. So to recap, we reviewed 3 helpful dashboard tools. We learned how to find your Ed Center info, how to explore education programs, and how to research institutions. We hope this video was helpful and you feel more confident in navigating the ArmyIgnitED portal. If you have any questions, reach out to your local education center, as they are a wealth of knowledge and are there to support your goals. Thank you.